going on, guys? So it's been a while since I've had this Axial Yeti XL out. Just fixed the just got the part I needed. It's been a while. It's been sitting on a shelf, and it needed repaired, and I finally repaired it. So I'm gonna take her for a spin. Found out one of the main reasons in some of them other videos I had a lot of like torque twist, and this tire was coming off the ground. I thought it was normal when actually there was water in, I think it was one of these tires that was causing it to do that. There was water, it was waterlogged like crazy, and I just drilled holes, small holes in the tires, so they're all empty now, and all the water that does get in them flings right out. So there she is. I still like this car, man. It's an animal, and I'm gonna try to hit these jumps, see what we can do today with it. Just a beast of a truck, man. I'm running 6S today. S power. That's insane. Whoa. Wow. Oh. Yeah, there's a little crack right inside, right on the edge there. You can't see it, and it just pulled. It just pulled off that ball joint that connects. Man, I honestly can't remember this thing being that damn powerful. That is insane. Love it. Love it. So, until next time, guys. Woo! The RC Element with a broken front wheel. Out.